Okay, since I'm gonna recording myself, I'm not myself, yeah, the kitten, sometimes myself. Not really enjoying meeting cats though. I mean, yeah, now I like touch them first and then I video it later. Yeah, like whoever see my videos, I think it's bad because sometimes the views is okay, sometimes there's no one. Somehow I walk in and then I find my familiars. Oh, the cats are so cute. I love it. Yeah, so dark, like hair Kai. Why they're so cute? They're cool. Oh my gosh! Stop talking about guys. What's your name? I'm gonna buy milk though. I can about banana today, but I don't know. No bananas for me, maybe. I want milk today. I can resist her. She's following me. Hey. Well, this is stray cats, obviously. Some of the cats I post is not strays, yeah, but they're playing. Let's go. Oh no, she's not following her. She's still following. Well, probably there's another guy. I mean, there will be a guy that give her food, hopefully. Playing in the set. Bye.